Do you know someone who's unwell, recovering from surgery, or has recently had a baby? Rather than the typical floral gift, consider offering the thoughtful gift of food as medicine. Here are two great ideas for creating the perfect care package that goes beyond the ordinary. First up, there's pesto pasta salad. It's a quick, simple dish that takes only about 15 minutes to prepare. With just 6 ingredients, it's easy to make, and it's both gluten-free and dairy-free, which covers some of the common dietary restrictions without needing to adjust the recipe. To start, bring a pot of water to a boil and cook one package of gluten-free shell noodles, around 8 ounces. A teaspoon of salt in the water can add extra flavor if desired. While the noodles are cooking, brown 1 pound of ground chicken or turkey in a separate pan over low to medium heat for about 10 minutes, breaking it up as it cooks. Once the noodles are done, rinse them under cold water and set them aside. Next, blend 1 bunch of fresh cilantro, a 1/4 cup of almonds or pine nuts or macadamias, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, and some salt and pepper in a food processor until it forms a pesto sauce. Then, combine the noodles, cooked meat, pesto sauce, and 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes in a bowl, and mix it all together. This pasta salad can be served warm or cold and will last in the fridge for up to a week. Another great option is chocolate oatmeal cookies. These are super simple to make, and there's no need to bake them. Just mix everything together, chill, and they're ready to enjoy. Plus, they're gluten-free, dairy-free, and vegan, making them a versatile treat. Start by melting half a cup of coconut oil and 1 cup of almond butter in a small saucepan over low to medium heat. Once it's fully melted, stir in 1 cup of quick oats, half a cup of raw cacao powder, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of non-alcoholic vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of Himalayan sea salt. Keep stirring until everything is combined, then let it cool just enough to handle. Scoop spoonfuls of the mixture and shape them into cookies. Place the cookies on a parchment-lined sheet and chill in the fridge for about an hour to firm up. They'll stay good in the fridge for a while, making them a great snack to have on hand. Both of these recipes are full of nourishing ingredients that can help someone feel better, whether they're recovering from surgery, dealing with an illness, or just need some comforting food. Plus, they're homemade, thoughtful, and much more practical than sending a bouquet of flowers.